Ingenious setup for flying a drone, floating a drone with that doesn't fly. So I went ahead and cut off the propeller since it doesn't fly anymore, and attaching it to a larger than usual sized balloon with duct tape. And there's a drone. The camera still works, at least on the drone. So the plan is to fly it up, and it is buoyant enough, and it's got a string so I can get it down. Let's see how it works in the field.
So as you can see, problem here was the wind. It was only a little windy, but the balloon is very sensitive to the wind, and I knew that might be a problem, but I just wanted to take advantage of a somewhat rare sunny day, and I just wanted to do it. And my main point was really seeing if it was possible, just kind of the engineering of rigging together this solution to float up the camera, and just wanted to challenge myself and see if I could float up the camera. And I should have gone to a bigger field, but that was farther away and I didn't want to deal with the traffic, so I just went to this city park. And because the wind was pushing the balloon down, even when the balloon went high up, it would kind of blow down, and ended up getting caught in the trees, as you'll see later. So it was just a fun little experiment that I wanted to see if I could do it. And you know, I think if there was no wind at all, sometimes you'd be able to get some video where you could, you know, grab a frame of something that wasn't shaking around at the moment, occasionally. And, well, let's just watch here. So what happened with the drone before was the motors just stopped working. I guess they got damaged banging into stuff too many times, and only 2 out of the 4 motors were working. And so all the drone would do was fly to the right, or to the left, I guess, fly off to one side immediately. So it was no good for flying. So I thought I'd float it up with this balloon, and first tried a regular sized party balloon. I cut off all the motors and the engines and the struts and everything just to get it down to the main body to save some weight. And it's still too heavy for the regular party balloon, so I bought a larger size big party balloon, and that had enough lift. So here you can see this is about as high as it gets, and the line, so you know, I have some fishing line duct taped to the balloon so that I can pull it back down, and the line got snagged in the top of the tree, and so unfortunately couldn't get the balloon to go up any higher, and actually spent a lot of time just trying to get the balloon down from the tree. Obviously I was successful at some point, and yeah, so you can see the basketball court and kids on the playground, and sometimes the surrounding housing community. So you probably find this video, all this shaking around, kind of annoying, but I just thought it was fun that I could at least get it up this high And obviously I was hoping it would turn out better, but, if anyone wants to try this themselves, just wait till it's no wind at all and go to a really, really large field, like way away from any trees. And maybe you could even, I don't know, put it on a kite instead of a balloon. So